Hi everybody, this is Sonia. Welcome back to my channel. I hope everybody is doing great today. I am here for mail call. I received over the last week a package from Canada. I'm not going to show the other side because it has addresses on it. But this came from Debbie, the Canadian Crocheter, and I had won a giveaway of hers, and the giveaway was that she would send the winner a envelope like this, full of goodies for 3 months. So it would be March, April, and May is when I would get my packages. I got my first one. It was a little delayed, probably by about 4 days or so, but lots of good stuff in here. And she has, the main thing that she would put in would be yarn. And so far, the yarn that's in here, I have never ever used and have wanted to. So I'm very, very excited. And this came at such a perfect time. It was such a joy to get this, open it, and you know, show my mom. Me and my mom got to enjoy seeing what was inside. So it just came at the perfect time. So I'm going to go ahead and share what I got, and every time a package comes in, I'm going to do a mail call and show you guys what she sent. So the first thing is a shelf sitter, which is a sheep. Is that not adorable? Perfect. I live on a sheep farm, take care of sheep. Perfect. Absolutely perfect. Love sheep. Totally adorable. So, got that. And she got me a magnetic memo pad. It said Sheep Happens. Love that. I got these mini knit clips, which I'm very excited to try. I've never used these, and I'm very excited to try these. They come with 10 in a pack, and then back here it shows how to use them. And then I got some of the portable scissors. They come, looks almost like a pen. It's got the clip in the back, and then it opens up to be the scissors. I like the slim size of it. Very nice. And she sent me a Simply Crochet 2019 calendar, and they have crochet wreaths, patterns for the wreaths, and here they are in the back. And there's 20 patterns. Let me see if I can find, but it shows you how to make, like here's December's. I really like that. I think I'm going to make some of these for my door. I really like this. And it shows you, you know, like what you'll need. It's like the yarns and how to do, and it has the patterns. So, yeah, I'm really excited about this. Here is June's. So I'm really planning to do some of this. I really, really like that. And then I got a card from her with donuts. Is that not adorable? It says thanks with extra sprinkles. And it's glittery. I don't know if you can see the glitter or not. But really nice. I love that. And then she sent me some Canadian, they're the leaves, the maple leaves, it looks like. I haven't tried any because I wanted to show everything first. But it's called Squish. And it's A Canada down here. And this is their gummies. So, really excited to try those. My mom wants to try some of these, so I'm going to let her try some of these as well. So I got those. And the last thing, I was so excited when I seen these because there's so much going on about this brand right now. She sent me 4 ice yarns. They are so nice. I'm just trying to... I don't see a name on them. Oh, it's chenille, looks like. Chenille mint green. But that is so pretty. I am definitely going to be making something with this. I have wanted to try this yarn for a very long time. So that is what I got from my first package of my 3-month. She called it like a subscription. Like when you get a subscription of something and it comes every month or whatever. That's what this is. You know, she doesn't, I know there's yarn, but I don't know what kind of yarn. And then she adds other goodies to it. And it's really fun. This is a great idea. You open it and you don't know really what to expect. So, thank you so much, Debbie. And this package could not have came at a better time, like I said. And I love everything that was in it. So, thank you. I can't wait to get the next package. So, okay, that's all for now. Like I said, when I get packages or anything in the mail, then I will do a mail call and show you what I got and share if you're interested. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like, share, subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and I will see you in the next video. Take care.